Hi, I am just a regular guy. I work full-time and create AI music videos for fun. Today, I want to share my completely free way of doing it. This is Dustpaw, my channel mascot. Together, we will show and explain exactly how to do this.
We wish to summon dark fantasy worlds using AI to command music and moving images that capture the mind. Very well, today you will learn it's completely free. And do not underestimate the music. It is not mere background noise. It is the pulse of your creation, the dark tide that will carry your audience. Pawn them if you choose poorly.
First, this is completely optional. Go to your favorite chatbot AI. This will help automate, manage your workflow and prompts. I am using Claude AI for this demo. Oh, and so you know, I am using an AI voice. Please note this is not my real voice. I have an accent and is hyper aware of my own voice. Don't want to die of cringe making a demo video? On the first step, simply explain the concept of what you want to create to your chatbot. Be sure to include that you are using Suno or whichever music generator you prefer. Also include Dreamina as a description. We'll get to that in a minute.
By the end, you will know how to generate music, visuals, and edit them into videos that people will actually watch.
Once done, Claude will give you the tools you need to create banger music via AI tools. Create your free account on Suno or any free AI music generator you prefer, and generate your track. This one I generated for the demo is nice. Never been disappointed. By Suno, even on the free plan.
We need visuals. Think of prompts, like spells. The clearer they are, the more control you have.
Next, and this is extremely critical. For this, to get it for free, you need a VPN. Your browser have free extensions you can get. For example, here in Chrome, go to Chrome Store. Add the extension for free. Set your VPN location to South Africa. Create your Dreamina account for free.
You understand? You understand? You understand? Yo, it's mittens in the alley, mission go time.
Go to Dreamina, link in description.
Dodging dogs, hop the trash, got the whole street watching, stay persistent, alley fam. We ain't stop, we moving slick in the shadows, city lights flash. Paws on the pavement, this cat's got a dash. It's a heist in the night with a chicken in hand. It's the last ride, alley fam, you understand? You understand? You understand? You understand? You understand?
You will notice that you have credits available. Congratulations, you just won. Go to your VPN extension and turn it off. And you will notice you can only create AI images. Refresh the page. Now you can generate videos, lip sync, and images for free. You are limited per day only. Next, we are going back to Claude AI to get the music video prompts. Please note, you can generate reference images for more consistency. If you want to learn advanced methods, just drop me a comment. If this video gets enough love, I will happily share advanced methods. Copy your prompts and paste it into Dreamina video generator. I keep mine on 5 seconds, and I ensure it is on Seedream 1.0. The latest model. You can see I was trying to generate videos in peak time. Thus why the waiting time was over 50 minutes. One eternity later, it created our clips. You can upscale them and so forth. For this demo, I am just downloading them as is.
Your cuts must be sharp, your pacing relentless.
As the final step, go to CapCut, link in description. Download it for free. It is also important to note, all these programs and steps are optional. If you have other sources to utilize, go for it. Once CapCut is downloaded, open the program. There are great features in this program, even for free. But unfortunately, some of the fancy tools are behind a paywall. Now it is simply a case of adding all your AI-generated content and mixing and patching them. And you can use this any way you want, but this is the basics of how my music videos are made.
Create or be forgotten.